and welcome or welcome back. I'm D-Star and today I'm installing and reviewing this really affordable pack of hair I found at one of my local beauty supplies. Getting right into it, I did my front braids off camera to save time, but I also have a full tutorial on these Krishan rock type braids, so if you're interested, check the card above. And here's a shot of the package if you want a screenshot. I believe I got the 24 inch for $27 at my local store, but you can actually find this pack online for less than $20. I should have definitely damn Googled before I bought it, but I overspent so you don't have to. And then I started sectioning off the back for one big cornrow. Now don't judge this bad parting. I don't even know who the back of my head is. It was going under clip-ins, so I just did what got the job done. Anywho, I braided the back horizontally because it's easier to lay the clip-ins over and leaves less bumps. And I left a section of additional leave out at the top to cover the clip-ins up there. Now we're ready to start installing. Alright, so y'all, I've had this for months and I'm so excited to use it. It's really soft, oh my gosh, and flowy, not stiff, and believe it or not, it even has a little thickness to it. It's got some thickness to it. Okay, I love that. That's promising. It feels good. It's been like, I would say even 5 months. It's probably been 5 months that I've had this. But this is what the individual's wefts look like. You can see right through it, which is, you know, it's one weft. It's synthetic hair, so I'm not expecting too much, but it's going to come together. I really feel like it's going to come together still. Okay. First wefts, I'm just putting right below this braid that I have going on. Super simple. I like that it has a lot of clips. This weft had 4 clips. They feel really secure. Keep them pretty close. Flip it. So, very secure. I love it so far. These are secure. They're not going anywhere because they have so many clips. Okay. Not going anywhere. So I have been doing a lot of manipulation to this hair and just trying to get my hair to blend in and stuff. These wefts have not moved. Each track came with more than enough clips. So I really like that. And the clips are nice little wiggly ones. Let me show. I gotta show off. These aren't the hard ones that really pull your hair and hurt your hair. These are the plastic ones. They're really simple to open and close and really soft. Okay, so you shouldn't have to worry about your tracks just randomly coming out. You might have to be fighting for these to come out, God forbid. But yeah, I really do love these. I love how bone straight this hair is and how it has stayed like that. Like I said, I had this pack of hair for at least like 5 months and it has really stayed bone straight like this. Of course, I don't mind that my hair, you might, you know, you can see my hair. You can tell like what's my hair and what's the track if you're really looking, but I don't mind that. I'm not about to flat iron my hair, my real hair, to smithereens just to get it to blend with this, because this is really straight, like down to the bottom. It is super duper straight, and I'm okay with my curly hair not looking like that, but it gets the job done for the most part. It's believable, and I just love that, y'all. And I also like the fact that it's a little bit yucky. So it's not like too, if you can see, it's not like, you know, European-esque. It has a little bit of yuckiness to it. So it wasn't hard to get my natural hair to blend in. Yeah, for $27, I feel like this is a steal. I was able to take like just a basic style that I did. It took me about a half hour to do these braids in the front and really transform it into something beautiful and exotic looking without having to break the bank. So, uh-oh, my other camera went off. But yeah, I still have these 3 pieces left. This is not the whole pack. This is what's in my hair is the other 6 pieces. But I really like it. 10 out of 10 to Organique. I just love how sleek this is and how affordable it was. Go out and get it, babe. Like, if you just really need a quick look. I love them, man. I can't stop running my hands through them because they are so soft and like sleek, but you could still feel a little bit of that yucky. And I don't know, I just can't wait for my hair to get this long. But all right, lovelies, till next time, have a beautiful one. Thanks for watching.